I'll say is I'm extremely different. And there's a reason that anytime an elite got in front of me, he looked more regular.
First, what's the use in war? Big Toolie let loose. I'm talking shoot galore, mask on, picking his locks. I'll sheik loot your door.
You really know my shit, bro? You know for a fact you ain't fucking with me. In no shape or how. This shit is too potent, boy. I'm way too creative. I am the most creative battle rapper to ever exist, and I'm the greatest singing battle rapper.
Main reason being, you was supposed to rise, now you get posterized. Close your mouth before I close your eyes. Boy, don't touch my street, cause all my gangsters got the cheat sheet. Baby shower, that mean 100 grams of powder in a C-suite.
Every time somebody who thought they mattered stood in front of me, they looked average.
I'm better than you, my shape up better, my car faster, my drip better, my clothes fit better, my hoes better, my tattoos better. Boy, I'm a cold killer like Winter Soldier. My homie Captain lick a shot just to school him, that's Villanova. Talk better, I walk better, my shoes fit me better, I get paid more.
They don't know nothing, but they claim they know everything.
I'm very different.
Yo, what's the word? Yeah, this OG Bass. Oh, y'all thought that was done. Nah, bar you to death is back.
No, I give a fuck of security with you. The toast is split him. I'll make your muscle memories. Don't forget it. I'm really him. I would've two-pieced them, boom, binked them dudes sleeping, put a mole in his camp, would've had news leaking. Y'all asked me what I would've did the news when I seen them. What you would've did? I would've put news on Fox 5 with Vada Fly for all.
Prep versus Texas Go. K Walker versus G to K. The Smoker NY going against Irv the Voice. Harlem Nights 4. Hell in Harlem. 341 Lennox. Harlem, New York. Be there if he swear.